no gold is not enough.
Open Picsart software from your phone, then click plus icon. Scroll down, select this background. Now tools, crop, then resize it. Click OK. Then add photo. Select your photo without background. Then resize it. Crop it as you do. Select OK. Now resize it. Then select OK. Now select tools. Select adjust. To adjust this photo, increase brightness little bit and decrease from this background. So I'm doing this. Now do this carefully and enjoy this background music. It takes little bit time, so don't be angry please. Follow my instruction carefully. You can use this setting as you like. So our photo is ready to make it picart or cartoon photo. Click effects and then click sketch and select sketch 1. Then open the setting. Then follow my instruction carefully. Do it 0. Friends, if you are enjoying this video, then please hit the like button and give a comment, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then click all from notification setting. So friends, our photo is almost ready. To save this video, click draw icon to save it HD.